and welcome to Fallout 4, the Commonwealth. Today we're at Spectacle Island, where I'm getting ready to move into my new player home. And first I'm going to show you the home I fixed up to live in temporary until I got my new home built. And there's the Minuteman flag that I carried for a while. Here's one of the fireplaces from the new holiday workshop that I replaced from having a small campfire. And it was a place that's just to hang loose, bathtub, toilet, sink. I only used the areas that didn't have a lot of debris, and I always slept with a gun underneath my pillow. And I used a stairway to put flowers, which have all fallen down. And even my Jingles the Moon Monkey up there fell through the world. Here's my power armor from Nuka-Cola, which I don't use very often. And there's my traveling partner, Piper, who's been with me for a couple weeks. In here is my other, my XO1. And here's the newest one I got, the XO2, which I picked up through Creation Club. And it was one of those quest-oriented to get it. My bobblehead stand and all my magazines, and here's the construction shed that Jewelsmith Homes used. The nerve center. Going out days without sleep, living on only donuts and coffee, and that in no dose. This I used a lot of the warehouse and the barn. Down here I use sandbags up there to keep the sand from being washed away.
You in the spotlight.
There's Deacon.
Lookout world.
A little place up there to have a cookout whenever I want to. Also too, put a stove in here because of the cold mornings up there, coming down to drink coffee, to watch the waves come in. And we also have a radio to listen to music. And I'm surrounded with turrets to keep protection. Oh, by the way, I put a screen back up here, so sometimes up here I get mutants coming in up here shooting down at me, so we took care of that. Here's our extra storage for food, and we can turn off the lights at night if we want. Here's another stove we put in up there right near the door to keep it slightly warm. The kitchen area. And yes, we have curtains. Now, you're going to ask me, where did I get the curtains at? Well, I got the curtains from the Nuka World pack from picket fence. And then of course I have the Noir furniture. I got to use the modern furniture. There's the Christmas package, the holiday package that I use. And there's the brick fireplace with stockings hung on the mantle. A nice little place to sit down and read. Enjoy the fireplace. And here is sort of like a family room, living room setup. Or we can watch TV. Here's something I saw Jewelsmith do, and I really enjoyed the way she did it. So we kind of copied it to make our living room area a little more enjoyable. And I got curtains here. There's a couple places that wouldn't go. There's the dining room. Here's the bathroom. I wish Bethesda would have given us a better looking tub. And there's the Noir Art Deco lighting. And here is the bedroom with the mirror. Tried to get curtains to work on here. Had a little more privacy, but I couldn't get it to work. So I'm pretty much done with this because the fact that I can't build no more. Oh, by the way, Jewel, you got to get these curtains. The Nuka-Cola package up there. They also have a lot of other stuff up there, but I found this to be as useful in everyday building as the fireplaces from the holiday workshop package. And of course, gotta have my coffee, gotta have my decaf coffee. So until next time, this is Michael from Jessic Biking, wishing you a good week, and we shall see you later. Bye now.